Okay, so now look, all we're going to do is use our calculator to be able to find the function value. The only thing you want to be sure of when you're finding trig values on your calculator is that you set them in the appropriate mode. Now, since I'm actually finding the sign of a number, that means I'm looking for the trig value of it, the trig function value, then that is when I want to make sure that my calculator is set into radians. So let me pull up my calculator, slide it over here a little bit, and I'm going to go to mode, and you see here that I need to switch my values from degrees into radian. I hit enter, so now radians is highlighted, and I can quit, go back to the home screen, and now I'm going to find out what the sign of 8203 is. So you're just pushing those buttons in, 0.8203, and let's go ahead and round this to the nearest 4 decimal places. Okay, so the value that you should come up with is approximately 0.7315. Okay, so it's approximately 0.7315. Okay, so that's not really any different from what we've done before. It's just making sure that you have your calculator set in the right mode. Let's practice again doing the secant. This is the one where I don't have a secant button on my calculator, so I'm going to use the reciprocal function to find out what the actual value of, or the approximate value is of secant. So I need to think to myself, secant, the reciprocal of secant would be 1 over the cosine of 2.8440. So pull the calculator up. I'm already in the right mode. So I'm going to say 1 divided by the cosine of 2.8440. Rounding to 4 decimal places again. And we get approximately negative 1.046. Okay. So negative 1.046. All right, no big deal.